What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis, and we are back with yet another video this evening. I know it's a little late, but I really needed to get this information out to you guys prior to tomorrow when the market opens, and I think these stocks are going to be greatly affected. So first, I want to talk to you guys about Nano Dimension. They just came out and said that they're going to have a $180 million direct offering. They are going to be putting out 30 million shares at $6 a share for a total of $180 million. Guys, this is absolutely crazy news because we know that all of the direct offerings combined in the past for this company, or in the recent past, has been $210 million. So we're talking about almost the same exact number of dollars in one direct offering, which is absolutely insane. This is the biggest direct offering we have seen in recent news for Nano Dimension, and I think that this is going to greatly affect the stock price. Again, these are just my opinions, but I wanted to put you guys on. So let's go ahead and take a look at the price action. As always, this is not financial advice. These are just the plays that I'm looking at, and I'm trying to put you guys on so that we can all win together. So, Nano Dimension, it was kind of trending sideways at stock close, and we finished off at $7.14 in after hours. Now, what did we see last week whenever we had the direct offering at $60 million at share price of $5 a share? We actually didn't see as much movement there. We did get a little bit of a drop off, but then we saw a very nice recovery there afterwards, and the stock actually ended up doing fairly well last week, finishing off the day at $7.44 and a slight drop off in after hours. Now, what do I think is going to happen when we open up next week? Again, not financial advice, but what I think is going to happen is we are going to start trending towards that $6 mark for this stock. What does that mean for all of us? If you are already in the stock at a pretty high cost basis, this is a buying opportunity. This is going to be a buy zone for you all because we might see the low sixes for this stock. If you haven't invested in this stock just yet, this is going to be a potentially good entry point for you because we might see a low next week of around $6. I think anything below $6.50 might be a good buying opportunity. If we see what happened last week, how the stock didn't really fall after that direct offering, then we might not get the opportunity to buy again. But this is a pretty substantial direct offering, folks. So I think we are going to see those low $6 price targets once again, and I think it's going to be a good buying opportunity. So keep this one on your guys' radar. This is Nano Dimension. This is a company that we've spoken about on the channel before, but I want you guys to keep it on your radar because there might be some movement next week. Next up, what do I want to talk about? GigCapital2, which has come out with some pretty substantial news about the merger that's going to happen coming in the next few weeks to months. Now, this company I haven't spoken about before. I've spoken about GigCapital3, but I think that this is going to be a very, very good opportunity here in the next couple of weeks, and I'm looking to buy in here at market open tomorrow. Now, this company announced that they are actually facilitating a merger between two other companies. Now, these two other companies are two companies that I am interested in personally. If we just go, you guys can do this yourself. Literally just Google GigCapital2. And this is the nice thing I like about this SPAC is because they have a website and you can get some information from it. Not a lot of SPACs do. If you scroll down a little bit, here you can see that GigCapital2 announced that it has entered into two separate definitive business combination agreements, each with Uphealth, one of the largest national and international digital healthcare providers, as well as Cloudbreak, a leading unified telemedicine and video medical interpretation solutions provider. I think that this is absolutely huge news. There are people worried that, hey, we're approaching the end of COVID essentially, and telehealth might not be the direction that we're going, and I feel like those people couldn't be more wrong. I truly believe that we are moving more towards telehealth, and even after the era of COVID, we will still be heading in that direction. For an example, we can use Teladoc, whose stock has been doing absolutely fantastic, not only the last year, but the last 5 years, even before the era of COVID. So as always, I want you guys to do a deeper dive into these companies and see. Is this a good buying opportunity for you personally? Does it fit with your investment strategy? And then make an informed decision. Let's talk about the price action for GigCapital2 very briefly. Obviously, it was trending sideways as most SPACs do at around $10. There was a little bit of fluctuation in this stock, but it wasn't anything substantial. And then in market close, it went a little bit crazy, almost reached $11, $10.95, and we finished off the day at $10.88. I still think that this is a pretty good buying opportunity. Let's see what happens tomorrow in the pre-market, but I want you guys to keep this one on your radar, just like Nano Dimension. It might be a good buying opportunity. I think if we can catch this one at below $11, I think we're going to do very well on it. So that's what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow when the market first opens. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. If you're new around here, please subscribe. I make these stock videos. I really enjoy making them. I try to put you guys on plays, and I want you guys to always go out and do your own research so you can be a more informed investor. And as always, please leave me a comment in the section below, because I really love interacting with you guys. It's one of my favorite things about YouTube, is being able to toss ideas back and forth, and we've been having some great conversations in the comment section below, so please do that. I'm really interested in these two plays, guys. Please, please, please keep them on your radar, because I think they are potential winners. I'll catch you guys on the next one, bright and early tomorrow. Peace out.